Hollywood Siren here, and we're here at the Artists in Music Awards presented by The Great Unknowns. Check out all of our interviews with the winners. I'm here with D-Dub, and he won for Best Hip Hop. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Okay, how does it feel to win this award?
Feeling really great right now. Just want to represent for my fans, represent for Long Beach, California. Let them know we got hip hop music coming, new stuff, fresh stuff. So.
Okay, and I know you're gonna be performing this month. Do you have anything else coming up?
Yeah, we got a couple shows coming up. One in San Diego on February 21st, little Mardi Gras celebration at the Ruby Room. And we got a show over here at Amplify Music. It's right here in West Hollywood too.
Okay,
that's March 3rd. So we got some gigs coming up, new music, new album, you know.
Okay, and what got you into this whole hip hop scene?
I'm a music buff. I'm a music lover, and I really just found that my way to connect with music is through rhyming and rapping, and so that's what I stuck to once I figured that out, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, congratulations on your award, and we'll let you get back to the party, okay?
Cool. Thank you.